3,350 Sikhs had been massacred.
There was an issue of physical security. There was whether we wanted our son to grow up in that kind of violent environment. So we moved to Switzerland. This was the first big change which had never been anticipated in life, that I would leave India and go and settle down outside. This is Yogeshwar Singh. I am first a Swiss citizen and then I am a Sikh. The Swiss people, they don't look like me physically. They don't wear turbans. We are a very small minority in most countries, especially here. Now, we are not asking for any material gain or anything like that. There should be no misunderstanding there. But if my wife, my children and my grandchildren, if they can remember me as a person who was basically trying to become a better person in every single way, then I think I've done my job.